This is a Chucky Beat production.
I don't know if y'all can tell. Clouds are moving really fast. There's some lightning. I mean, it is building. And it sounds awesome. Just look at this thing building though. Right there's a cell of it. Oh, the wind picking up. Oh my gosh. Look how dark it is. Oh yeah. This is gonna be gnarly. Look at the clouds moving here. They're so fast. They're all pushing this way. Everything is here is wrapping in. It's like feeding in. This main cell's right over there. It still says it's picking up hail. It's getting windier by the minute. Oh my gosh. That's moving so fast. Everything is just wrapping straight in there. This whole belt is just coming through. It's getting crazy. I love this so much. I probably will until I get struck by lightning. Wow. It's all around. I don't even know where to look. I mean, there's some over there too. I'm not getting any of that. It's all around. It's all around. I gotta go. Alright, we're out here right now. I'll face this way. We have a storm coming with some hail in it. And I'm trying to see if there's already some lightning. I got the GoPro set up. I don't know if that... I have it on the GoPro at least. What? This could be some of the best footage I have in a while. And I didn't even know it was supposed to rain today. But thunder keeps going, or lightning keeps going off. Thunder is like continuous. Probably about 5 minutes till it gets here. So I'm gonna watch it, that's for sure. But I love this stuff so much. Okay, it's like 3 minutes later. I just looked at the radar. There is some crazy hail embedded in this storm, and it's getting breezy. The clouds are moving really fast.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Right here is kind of going off right now. Not even okay, I'm gonna start recording on here because the GoPro will get it, I think. So hopefully. God, it's so dark. Oh! Oh! Oh my! Oh my God! There's a tornado! Oh my God! There's gonna be. Dude! The GoPro's gonna be gone. Dude, how much water there is! Dude, we're actually flooded out. Look at this. Oh, I'm drenched now. All right, we just got a severe thunderstorm warning issued for here. It is getting closer quickly. Look down there. And over my head, it's actually building. Storm, by the time it gets here, it's breaking apart, but it's actually building. And getting gnarlier by the second. And I'm still standing out here as there's lightning 0.2 miles away from me. But it looks sick, bro. So we're gonna keep watching. Probably it, because I gotta get going inside. Because look at that, this monster cell coming in. And lightning, I just got a notification that it's lightning 0.0 miles away. So I'll take one more shot of this cloud before it starts absolutely going crazy. And then we'll hope that the GoPro right here picks up something awesome. Look how dark it is. You can just hear like the wind coming to. I better go inside, bro. Oh. Oh. Big strike. Oh. We're like flooding. Y'all see that? It's like hurricane stuff. It's coming down so fast. Bro, massive puddle now. And GoPro. Still there. I told you about the hail. I didn't get it. My mom just texted because she's not home right now. And she is in hail right now. A few miles south of here. So, I'm a good meteorologist, is all I'm trying to say. Bro, it's flooding over here now. This is actually some hurricane stuff. I mean, everything. Look at this circle. Bro. Y'all, look at the puddle. Oh my god. I don't want to get my phone wet, so wish me luck. But this is the end. Hope you enjoyed. This is an awesome storm. And hopefully, we have more summer storms like it.